Hi, and welcome back to Skrach, where we help you scratch that cooking itch. Today, we're going to make dill pickle chips. Let's get started. For this, we'll need 1 pound of miniature cucumbers, 1½ cups of water, 1½ cups of white vinegar, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon and 1½ teaspoons of salt, 1½ teaspoons of minced garlic, 1½ teaspoons of mustard seeds, 1½ teaspoons of black peppercorns, and 2/3 of an ounce of dill sprigs. We'll start by combining our 1½ cup of water, 1½ cup of white vinegar, 3 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 tablespoon and 1½ teaspoons of salt in a large saucepan on the stovetop over high heat, stirring occasionally. We'll let this come to a boil until the sugar and salt are dissolved into our liquids. While our brine is cooking, we'll rinse and thinly slice our cucumbers. We'll divide our cucumbers, 1.5 teaspoons of mustard seed, 1.5 teaspoons of black peppercorns, 1.5 teaspoons of minced garlic, and 2/3 of an ounce of dill between 3 8-fluid-ounce jars. When our brine has finished boiling, we'll pour it into our 8-ounce jars, cover them with a lid, and allow them to cool to room temperature before we put them in the refrigerator to pickle for 5 to 7 days. Once they're done pickling, we'll remove our dill and serve as desired. I hope you like this recipe. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes like this one.